Okay, what can you tell us about cicadas?
Welcome to Cicada World.
Do you like cicadas?
Yeah. You are driving on me. Stop.
Now, when the cicadas come out of the ground, what are they?
They're in the shell, and when they get out of the shell, they have wings.
And then what do?
They fly.
They fly?
Yeah.
Do they bite?
No more, but when they don't bite when they're out of the shell.
Do they have stingers like a bee?
No,
No.
they don't sting at all.
No. Do they hurt?
No. They just like to climb
They like to climb. What do they like to climb on?
people and even fabric.
Fabric?
Yeah.
Do they cling to fabric, don't they?
And even they can stick.
They stick?
Yeah.
Can you wear them like a pin on your shirt?
Yeah, see?